I made $5,000 in my second month on this platform with less than 5,000 followers. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your first $2,000 on Threads, even if you're starting from zero today. How the algorithm works, how to set up your profile, what to post, and how to turn that audience into real income. Let's get into it. Hi everyone, I'm Ama, and everything I'm about to show you is exactly what I do across multiple accounts on Threads. All my brands works with this same strategy. I personally built a six-figures business starting on Threads as a beginner. 500 leads in one day, $1,000 in a single day, and $5,000 in month 2, and more than 100K in sales in only 5 months, all from one free platform. Let me show exactly how. Now let's talk about how the algorithm actually works, because once you understand this, everything changes. Threads works on what I call a conversation engine. It's completely different from Instagram or LinkedIn, where likes and shares are the main signals. On Threads, the algorithm prioritizes conversations, replies, meaningful interactions between real people. The more you post drives conversations, the more Threads push it to new audiences. It's called meaningful social interaction, and it's the secret behind every viral post on this platform. So here's what this means for you. Engage more than you post. Every reply you give, every conversation you start, the algorithm sees all of that and rewards you for it. And here's something most people completely miss. When you reply to someone's question in your niche, you're not just talking to that one person. You are talking to everyone who will read that reply, potentially thousands or millions of people. That's how you grow on Threads without even posting a new content. Just by showing up in conversations with real value. Engage more than you post. That is the most important thing I can tell about this platform. Before you post a single thing, your profile needs to be set up correctly. Because when someone finds your content and clicks your profile, you have about 3 to 5 seconds to make them follow you. That's it, 3 to 5 seconds. And here's exactly how to set it up. Name, include your niche, not just your name. Your name plus what you talk about. So people immediately know what they are going to get from following you. Profile picture, whether you're showing your face or using a brand image, keep it the same for a long time. Consistency builds recognition and trust. Bio, 3 lines, that's it. Line 1, who you are. Line 2, who you help and how. And line 3, your call to action with your store link. Simple and clear. And always pointing to the most important resource, your freebie or your main offer. Get this right before you post a single thing. This is your foundation. Now let's talk about content, because this is where most people get it completely wrong. There are 3 types of posts I use on Threads. Short form, quick punchy thoughts. One idea, 1 or 2 sentences, high impact, easy to consume. Great for engagement and visibility. Long form, this is the format that got me the most followers and the most sales. And here's the exact formula I use every single time. Hook, value, CTA. And I usually break in threads. The hook is everything. If people don't stop scrolling at the first line, they never read the rest. The value is 6 to 8 points. This is the sweet spot. Too long and people quit before the end. Too short and it looks like a short form post that people scroll past without opening. And here's the most important rule about the value section. Write it like you're talking to a friend. Not formal, not corporate, not like something AI generated. Human, natural. If you read your post back and it doesn't sound like something you would say to a real person, rewrite it. Because on Threads, the more natural you sound, the more people connect with you. And the more people connect with you, the more they engage, follow, and buy. The CTA at the end is where people convert. Point them to your store, make it feel like the natural next step after all the value you just gave. Carousel, visual, mood, slide content, great for tips, step-by-step process, and frameworks. I use carousels across all my brands and they work really well for driving saves and shares. If you want real examples of posts and carousels that actually converts, I document everything inside Threads Formula, my complete step-by-step guide for growing and selling on Threads. Link in the description. Now here's the part that actually makes you money. Growing on Threads means nothing if you don't have a system to convert that audience into an income. And here's my exact system And this is what made me $5,000 in month 2. Step 1, create a freebie first. Before I launched my paid product, I created a free guide, something that solved a specific problem for my audience. I gave it away for free in exchange for an email address. And here's the key. The freebie has to be good, not something you throw together in an hour. Something that actually helps people. Because the freebie is where people decide if they trust you enough to buy from you. The better your freebie, the higher your conversions every single time. Step 2, collect emails from day 1. Most of my posts points to my freebie. Every freebie collects an email. And your email list is the one thing nobody can ever take away from you. Threads accounts get disabled, Instagram accounts get deleted. I know this from personal experience. But your email list, it's yours forever. I collect 7,000 email leads in 6 months on Threads. And when my account got disabled, I was still making money because I had my list. Step 3, launch your paid product to a warm audience. In month 1, I focused completely on building my audience and collecting leads. No selling, just value. Month 2, I had a warm audience who already trust me. And when I launched Threads Formula, my complete guide documenting everything I did, it made me 5,000 in sales. Not because I had a huge following, but because I had the right following, a target audience. People who already knew me, trust me, and wanted what I had to offer. That's the system. Freebie collects emails, emails build trust, and paid product converts trust into income. Let me be real with you about something. Most people who failed on Threads don't fail because the platform doesn't work. They failed because they quit too early. But here's what they don't realize. In those 2 weeks, they were still invisible to the algorithm. Threads needs time to understand who you are, what you talk about, and who to show your content to. 2 weeks is not enough. 2 months is not enough, not even close. The people making real money on Threads are the ones who show up when nothing was happening, when the numbers were small, when nobody was watching. Because here's the truth about this platform, and honestly about any platform. Trust is built in the quiet moment, not the viral ones. Every post you write that nobody sees, there's always somebody watching. Every reply you give that gets 1 like, every day you show up when you feel like quitting, that's when the foundation is being built. And one day the algorithm catches up and your content reaches the right person share it, and suddenly everything you build it in silence, it starts to compound. I made $5,000 in month 2, but month 1 I was quiet, really quiet. Don't quit in month 1, 2, 3, actually never quit. So here's the complete roadmap to your first $2,000 on Threads. Why Threads? Best organic reach on the internet right now. Content push it to everyone regardless of your follower count. Profile setup, name you with your niche, clear profile picture, 3-line bio, and freebie link. Content 3 to 5 posts a day, short and human, hook, value CTA on every long form post. Engage more than you post and be part of the community. Freebie first, collect emails from day 1. Your email list is your most valuable asset. Build trust for 30 days, then launch your paid product to a warm audience. If you want the complete step-by-step system, my exact hooks, my content strategy, my freebie funnel, my real examples of posts and carousels that convert, everything is documented inside Threads Formula. This is the exact guide I use it to go from 0 to 6 figures on Threads, and everything you need to make your first $2,000 is inside. Link in the description, no guesswork, everything is there. And if this video gave you value, hit the thumbs up, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel because there is a lot more coming. See you on the next video. Bye!